DIY bloodstain removal from the mattress by Marks Mattress Cleaning. For fresh and simple bloodstains, things you need are salt, detergent, cold water or icy water. Procedure: pour ice-cold water on the stain so it will decrease the fluidity of blood. Pour some salt or detergent over to the bloodstain. Saturate the stain with salt and let it rest on it for a while. Finish the process by cleaning the bloodstain with a wet cloth and some detergent. Brush off the stain vigorously till you see any sign of bloodstain and dry your mattress ASAP. For old and hard bloodstain removal, things you need are spray bottle, baking soda, white vinegar, simple cloth or towel. Procedure: Step 1. Sprinkle baking soda in the required amount on the blood. Make a solution of white vinegar and warm water, both taken in equal parts, and pour this in a spray bottle. Spray this solution over to the bloodstains and let the stains soak in the solution completely. Procedure: Step 2. Use a brush or a vacuum cleaner to clean the stain and your mattress. You will see chunks of baking soda and vinegar. Clean them off completely and repeat the vacuum mattress cleaning if necessary. Hire professionals of Marks Mattress Cleaning. Bloodstains can leave a permanent stain if go unnoticed. This old stain is often impossible to remove without the help of professional mattress cleaners. Marks Mattress Cleaning is the leading brand providing you with professional mattress cleaning services. Our team is filled with highly skilled and experienced professionals, completely safe and long-lasting. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get amazing cleaning tips.